Even though hiccups are annoying and they tend to last, or they feel like they last forever, sometimes persistent hiccups, or hiccups that last more than 48 hours, seem to be related to some type of medical condition. In some cases, persistent hiccups are caused by an underlying disease, or in some cases, hiccups are caused for no apparent reason, but they can become exhausting and distressing, which could cause some damage to our bodies, or sometimes just psychologically. Some examples of conditions which cause persistent hiccups are certain medications. For example, steroids or painkillers that contain morphine, or for example, methyldopa, which is used for blood pressure. Sometimes the changes in our blood chemistry, which can be from alcohol, or it could also be from blood sugar, of high blood sugar, or sometimes a lack of calcium or potassium in our bodies. Sometimes it could be even gut problems, from the stomach. It could be that acid inside, or it could be acid flux, or sometimes an infection in the gallbladder, or an infection under the diaphragm, where the lungs are. The diaphragm, right there. Also, there are some conditions in which that affect the neck. The neck right here. Or sometimes the tummy, which is right here. Or just the chest area, which is right there. Sometimes it could be even from brain conditions. For example, up here, the brain. These conditions could be from a stroke, or from a head injury, or from a brain infection. And sometimes hiccups can occur in the late stages of a terminal disease, such as when a person is very ill or has cancer. Another factor that can cause persistent hiccups is heart problems or heart conditions. For example, a heart attack, or for example, inflammation around the heart. Around the heart could cause an infection or hiccups. Sometimes a central nervous system disorder, for example, multiple sclerosis, or tumors, or meningitis. Any of these that has some type of connection with the central nervous system can cause hiccups. Or sometimes metabolic disorders and drugs. Long-term hiccups can be triggered by alcoholism, or diabetes, or kidney failure. or, for example, an electrolyte imbalance. And that is when you don't have enough electrolytes in your body. Sometimes anesthesia can also cause persistent hiccups. Sometimes even a sore throat can cause hiccups as well. Also, a hair or something in your ear touching your eardrum. This is something caused from an irritation. You know, a little piece of hair in here. That could also cause a hiccup. So, any of these, so if one has hiccups that last more than 48 hours, you should go see a doctor because this could mean that you have some type of illness or something is going on with your body.